India still needs 14 lakh career counselors to cater to the 300 million students in our country today. What does it mean? It's just not a plain statistics. It primarily means there's a vast scope and there's a huge potential. The education industry is growing at a very remarkable growth, and by each passing day, the demand for the career counselors is rising. Because today, the parents as well as the students are completely confused because it's so much happening today and so many new professions coming and getting added every day. They want to learn and take the scientific and professional advice so that they spend the next 35 to 40 years doing the right thing. Therefore, there's a demand, and the demand is constantly rising for a career counselor. Now is the right time to get into the education industry. I have curated a 3-day webinar and I've simplified the process so that even if it's a homemaker can become a certified student coach.